Hey, today we're going to talk about Telegram and how you can use it on your Apple Watch in 2024. If you regularly use Telegram for work or talking to your friends and family, you must have noticed that there is no official Telegram app for the Apple Watch on the App Store. However, there is a third party client that can help you check and reply to your Telegram messages directly from your watch. But before we get to that, if this video helps you, please consider subscribing because we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. Okay, let's get started. First, turn on your Apple Watch and open the App Store. Now, search for Pigeon for Telegram. The application should look something like this. In case you do not see the app on your store, there is a chance that it's not available in your country. To fix that, you will need to change the country of your App Store to something like the USA or experiment with other countries like India. The instructions for that are in the description. Once you find the app, download it onto your watch and wait for the installation to finish. After that's done, open the app to see login instructions. Swipe right to find your login QR code. Now switch to your iPhone and open the Telegram app. Go to Settings, Devices and click Link Desktop Device. Scan the QR code that is being shown on your Apple Watch, wait for a few seconds and you should be able to log in into your Telegram account on the watch. In the app, you will have access to all your chats, you can reply to them, get notifications and more. However, it's worth noting that most of these features are hidden behind a subscription paywall. This will cost you around 2 to 3 US dollars a month. You can use the free trial for a bit, and if you genuinely enjoy using the application, you can start paying for the subscription. Do note that this video was not a paid promotion. We genuinely wanted to help you find the right app for your needs. We hope that this video was useful. If it was, then please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.